Hey guys, welcome back. In this short video, we're going to talk about the data management. Now, data management in Genesys Cloud, which is a feature that helps you manage data by storing, organizing, and securely sharing all file types of file with other Genesys users. This is basically a place where you store your document or file, which is known as the workspace. As you can see here, you can create your own workspace that is either yours or shared with you. A workspace allows you to manage any files such as text-based document, images, fax, video, voicemail, call recording, email, photos, and more. Now you can upload any number of files, but each file must not exceed 2 gigabit of file size. Now you have one personal workspace and you can be a member of multiple group workspace. Now you can click on each tab to learn about that. An example would be, for example, Voice Bootcamp Sales Department recently organized a global gathering for their employee from all over the world to collaborate and attend conferences. So following the event, team members desire to centralize repository for their sharing photo that was been taken during the event. In that scenario, an administrator will create a group workspace called Global Gathering Sales Event and invite every member of the sales team to it. Now, everyone in the sales team can upload the photos, share their happy moment and their discussions or activities that took place in that event, whether it is an event list or some of the seminars they have attended or the result of some raffle draw, whatever. Anything can be shared within that group as long as you are a member of that workspace. And for you personally, individual account will have your own personal workspace where you can upload your own files. All right, so that's pretty much all there is about the data management in your Genesys Cloud CX.